Hey guys, today it is all about tin mackerel. This is one of the most convenient foods that we have in Jamaica. Of course, there are many brands, but in Jamaica we mostly have Grace or Lasco mackerel. So what I love about this is it is already cooked. So you don't even have to cook it. We call it flash out because you can literally flash it out of the can and it is good to go. However, you know how we are in Jamaica and in the Caribbean in general. We like to make things more flavorful. So today I'm just going to show you how we cook this up. It is so simple. It can be found in regular stores. I've seen it in Walmart, but you can also check your local West Indian stores, okay? So let's go, guys. So of course, easy to open can, we just pour it out. You can pour it into a bowl, and then what you can do, guys, is you can open up the fish, remove the bones if you want to. I never remove the bones. They are soft, they are edible, they don't bother me. But of course, if you don't like it, take it out. Let me know in the comment section, do you remove the bones from mackerel and sardines, or do you just eat it? So usually one can, is just enough for one person, okay? So this is what I'm using today. Onions, some bell peppers, and scotch bonnet pepper. They do make the spicy mackerel, but this one's regular. I have some fresh thyme and some garlic, okay? Sometimes I'll add tomatoes too. And of course, black pepper, okay? You can add whatever veggies you like. All I'm going to do is saute these in some oil. As I've said before, the mackerel is good to go. You can eat it straight from the can, okay? But we prefer to cook it up. If you do have, scallion or green onions, you can definitely add it to this dish as well. And what's funny is it is in tomato sauce, but sometimes we do add diced or chopped tomatoes to this dish. I'm adding the sliced scotch bonnet and the garlic here. If you want to do just, slices of garlic, that's fine too. And for the scotch bonnet, you could do it whole if you prefer. Once everything is smelling nice, all you need to do is pour the mackerel in there. Now, if you want to break them up, that's fine. If you want to leave them whole, that's fine too. Do whatever you like. Whenever it's, a small amount and I want to stretch it for, a lot more people, then I'll just break it up, so it will, seem like a lot more than it really is. And then the fresh thyme, definitely a plus. Now, I'm going to do something that you might find weird. I'm adding a little ketchup. Now, let me know in the comment section if you're one of those Jamaican people that still add a little ketchup even though the mackerel is in tomato sauce. I still want a little ketchup. It just balances out the acidity. I don't know, I have to do it. Then I added the black pepper. All you need to do is just simmer this for a few minutes and you are good to go. In Jamaica, we love to have this with white rice, fried dumplings, boiled dumplings. On this plate here, I'm having it with bakes, which is not traditionally Jamaican, but it's kind of like our fried dumpling. So it was so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you like tin mackerel, if you've never had it before, and let me know what's your favorite thing to have it with, if you're familiar with it. Do you like your rice or fried dumpling? What do you love to have with it? Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time, guys.